nature show.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. I think I'll just take a little break down to Timbuktu with that big old suitcase and nothing else, dude. Woo! Oh! Well, here's the airport. Gotta catch my plane. I hope my sister does a good job. Bye now. Gotta go. Put that on, will you? Hello. Today we're looking for the rabbits. So let's look for the rabbits. Let's go look for the rabbit. Here it is! Ninja rabbit! Oh well. Now where's that ninja rabbit? There's the ninja rabbit! That's it. Nice watch. Hold on. My luggage! My luggage! Here, come here. Okay. Now, the ninja rabbit's bonnet thingy came off. He gets pissed off if it comes off. You know these rabbits. Sis! Ow! Let's sit down and put it on. Look at all these ants, you guys. I'm at the chair. Look at all these ants. Oh. Okay. No, I'm like getting all this stuff. Wait, hold on. Who's that ninja rabbit? You don't. No, the ninja rabbit comes from China. China. I'll just sit on this. He can't see right now, so let's just leave him alone. Just sit on here? No, actually, you got my stuff. Let's stay on the outside. Sis. Yeah. Here, go far, catch the rabbit. Oops. Missed. Uh-oh, here comes a car. Oh no, a car! Here it comes. No. I'm okay, I'll just get back on my skateboard. Here we go. The car's coming.
Oh, is Nathan okay? Oh.
I'm taking the dog for a walk. Aha. I think I'm gonna do my super duper whammo changey intro. Oh.
Nathan and Leslie show. Do nature show.